All right, we're going to talk about the ABI Coco Mat now behind the Z23 here. What this is a perfect surface finishing mat. This one being cocoa fibers that make up most of the mat. Will not actually be intrusive in the ground. It will literally just float across the surface, taking away any undulation that is on that surface, and is best used when you're talking about infields that have a granular content on top, some type of top dressing, even like a sandy or more material. It'll just allow that material, the cocoa mat, to just float across the surface. What we've got here on the mat itself is we've got an 18-inch piece of the cocoa fibers that actually bolt directly to a leveling drag bar off the front. We're about a 6-foot reach here on the drag bar, which is great if you've got any material movement that happens during the games. You're able to kind of level that conditioner out as you groom. Again, being that it is very thick with the cocoa fibers underneath, it again just floats across the surface and will not dig and carry material with it. When it is moist, if you got a little bit of surface moisture, again, because it's a surface groomer, it's not going to clump up and carry the material and bog it down. It's going to just kind of glide across the surface. So great to use if you've got a little bit of surface moisture, or if you're just hitting a field before a game for like a nice finish drag, if you've got that topical layer. Again, we've got that 6-foot leveling bar in front of it. We've got the bolt-on cocoa fiber mesh here that allows us to swap that in and out, so very easy to replace. And we've got the top link as well to be able to adjust that to take that leveling bar out of play if you just wish to give that nice sweeping finish. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the ABI Force and the rear attachments, please visit our website.